Hey y'all, what do you say we try a mule? It's a Reed's ginger mule. Everything's already mixed. You can see I'm still at the campground. If you hear screaming or yelling or whatever, I have this whole back section of the campground to myself, except for the spot across the street with two kids. But it'll be fine, I'm sure. Anyway, we've got Reed's 7% alcohol Mule. Honest, I was hoping for another Cutwater, but I couldn't find single cans anywhere in town. Smells like ginger. Tastes like ginger. The 7% is hidden very well. Water, ginger juice, blah 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 blah. Organic rub A, stevia leaf extract, lime oil, lime juice, lemon oil, lemon juice. Yeah, from Full Sail Brewing. How about that? Nothing about where the alcohol comes from, if it's rum or vodka or whiskey or beer. It's just a ginger mule. Seriously, it's like drinking a ginger beer or a ginger ale. Really does hide the booze, which could be dangerous. Anyway, that's what we've got today. An early evening Reed's ginger mule. Not bad at all. Alternative to a beer. Anyway, that's all we've got. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day, and cheers.